Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Mayo Bizu from Mayo Bizu World. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and we are talking about Joseph Principles. Joseph Principles, and we have been dealing with from episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is episode 5 of the Joseph Principle. So episode 1 has been great, 2, 3, 4 has been great. So episode 5 we are going to be talking about wisdom. We are going to be talking about wisdom. So I found out that Joseph was an excellent man in the Bible, and at the age of 30 he became a crowned governor in the time of Pharaoh. At the age of 30, Joseph became a crowned governor in the house of Pharaoh in Egypt. And I was asking myself, why? Is it that he could interpret dreams? No. Because if you look deep into the book of Genesis, he said, Pharaoh said something. He said, there is nobody as wise as thee. That is why I found out that the next principle for success is wisdom. Wisdom. And if I would like to define wisdom, I will give you 3 principles that I would say is the definition of wisdom. Number 1, wisdom is the ability to solve problems. Wisdom is the ability to solve problems. If you can solve the road problem in your country today, you are wise. If you can solve the political issues in your country today, you are wise. Wisdom is the application of what? A knowledge. He said, don't just be hearers of my word, but be doers of my word. So that what makes you wise. The ability to apply a principle, the ability to apply a knowledge makes you wise. And my third definition for wisdom, the third definition will be wisdom is the ability to discern the truth. Wisdom is the ability to discern the truth. And I got that from Mike Murdock. So now Joseph was in the Bible and he had wisdom. Now what wisdom did he have? Joseph had the ability to solve problems. So after Pharaoh had his dream and saw himself 7 cows were fat and 7 cows were lean, and Joseph interpreted the dream that there will be 7 years of plenty and 7 years of what? Famine. The first 7 years will be 7 years of plenty, and the next 7 years will be the 7 years of famine. It was intriguing what Joseph did during those times. It was intriguing. During the first 7 years of plenty, Joseph had knowledge of what to do. What did he do? He had to look for places to stock up grains in the time of plenty. What is that trying to tell you? He's trying to tell, we entered into the corona season. Let me tell people that didn't suffer during the corona season. People that were saving. Trust me, they were saving out of every penny they had. Not just money, they were saving a lot of things. Those are people that didn't suffer during the corona season. It was crisis. Crisis was coming into Egypt. But what? Joseph had the principle, had the wisdom to solve that problem. And what was the principle or the knowledge he had? He said, let us save our grains. He was saving more than 50% in places that they could not even keep account of. So that the 7 years of famine, they will be able to what? They will be able to have enough so that they don't go starving and also be hungry. So Joseph had the principle of wisdom. He was wise. He had the ability to solve problems, because Pharaoh had the problem he could not solve. But the wisdom of God was giving the ability to solve problems, and that ability made him go to the top. So if you have the wisdom today, it will give you the ability to rise above your mate. Wisdom gives you ability to rise above your mate. So if you have wisdom to solve problems, Bill Gates came into the world and solved the problem of Microsoft. He solved problems. That is why he was wise. Solomon in the Bible was the wisest man. I studied Solomon. So something about Solomon intrigued me. Solomon in the Bible, God in his God went into Solomon's dream and asked him for just one thing, and something surprised me. Solomon didn't ask for money, he didn't ask for fame, he didn't ask for wealth, he didn't ask for oil, he didn't ask for women, he didn't ask for children. He asked for just one thing, and that is wisdom. If you ask for wisdom, you will get it. So today, I want you to develop your wisdom character, because it's a form of development. Until you develop your wisdom ability, you'll be able to solve problems. The ability to solve problems is wisdom. That is what Joseph had. Joseph was the crown prince, crown governor at the age of 30. At the age of 30 is a mastery stage. At the age of 30, you need to become a master of what you do. That is why I will tell you, do one thing for 5 years, you become a master at it. The reason why people are not successful today is because they are jumping from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. But just do one thing and become a master at it. If you're a marketer, tell yourself, I want to develop this marketing strategy. Do it for 10 years. I'm telling you, at your 30th stage, you become a master at it. Your capacity to have knowledge gives you the ability to apply that knowledge to become a wisdom. Until you have that wisdom principle, trust me, things will go on well in your life. Because wisdom is very powerful. I was reading something in the Bible, and the Bible told me that I was here before God created the land. God knew that he had to create water before he created the fish. He had to create the land before he created man. Wisdom. Until you are wise, you know how to move with people. Until you are wise, you know what to do at the right time. Until you have the wisdom of God, you know what to do at a particular point. Wisdom is needed. Wisdom is needed. Until you have wisdom, you know what to do at the right time. So until you have this wisdom of God, things will shake in your life. So today I'm imploring you to have the wisdom that will take you to the next level. How can you get wisdom? Number one, the way I'll tell you wisdom is from above. I asked my spiritual father, Apostle Blessing Inyang. He told me wisdom is from above. And he gave me a verse to go and check, and I found out that wisdom is from above. Ask for wisdom. How do you understand? It's a true understanding. That is what Daniel said in the Bible. He said, true understanding, I understood by what? Books. Don't just have knowledge, I have understanding. Wisdom and understanding. Wisdom gave the ability of Solomon to move with all the women he had. Though it was women that killed Solomon, though. But still, wisdom gave him the ability to move with more of 700 wives and 1,000 concubines. So if you want to move with women today, you need wisdom. If you want to move in your place of work today, you need wisdom. Wisdom is the ability for you to go further in life. Until you have this wisdom of God, things will move straight in your life. So the next principle I want you to develop, want you to ask God from, is wisdom. Wisdom of God gives you the ability to solve problems, solve leadership problems, the ability to have wisdom, not just power. Wisdom will give us the ability to solve Nigerian issue. I don't believe Nigerian issue is big. I believe it's solvable, but you need the wisdom of God to solve it. That is what happened in the time of Joseph. The country was going into chaos, but because of his wisdom as a governor, he was able to solve problems. So until you have that wisdom, you'll be able to solve problems. Thank you. I want you to develop your wisdom ability. Thank you for listening to my channel. I will still be breaking down some things I've said on this Joseph principle. Stay tuned. By His grace of God, I shall write a book on these principles. In the next 5 years, I shall release the book of this video. In the next 5 years, stay tuned, and my book shall be coming out, The 7 Principles of Success with the Joseph Principle. Using the Joseph Principle. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, and welcome to Mayor Bizzle World. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.